In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a photo from Google Chat or a Google Chat embedded in Gmail. This can be handy when you need to manage your digital conversations and ensure sensitive or unnecessary photos are no longer stored in your chat history. Let's dive into the process and walk you through each step with clarity and simplicity. First, you need to navigate to either chat.google.com or open your Gmail account where Google Chat is integrated. Both options take you to the same interface, just located in different starting points depending on your preference. Once you're there, locate the specific chat or space where you have originally sent the photo. Google Chat organizes conversations clearly, making it convenient to find past interactions. After opening the chat or space, you'll need to identify the exact message containing the photo you want to delete. This might involve scrolling through previous messages to locate the specific image. If you have ongoing conversations, it might take a moment to visually scan your message history, but ensure you take your time, as precision is key to deleting the correct file. Once you find the message with the photo, it's time to access more options to proceed with the deletion. Gently hover your cursor over the photo message. You'll see a few additional icons and options appear on the right-hand side of the message. Specifically, look for the 3 vertical dots, often known as the More Options button. With these 3 dots visible, click on them to pull up a drop-down menu. This menu provides different actions you can perform on that specific message. From this list of options, select the one labeled Delete. Clicking this will not instantly delete the photo, as Google Chat will prompt you for a confirmation, ensuring this action is what you truly intend to do. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you indeed want to delete this photo message permanently. This is an important safeguard, preventing accidental deletions during your digital housekeeping. If you're absolutely certain about removing the photo from your chat history, go ahead and click Delete within this confirmation prompt. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the photo message from your Google Chat, ensuring it's no longer part of your chat history. This method provides a simple, efficient way to manage your digital footprint and keep your conversations neatly organized. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you feel confident managing your Google Chat messages, ensuring your conversations are tidy and relevant. Stay tuned for more helpful guides just like this one.